Okay, good day, members. Okay, welcome again to another episode of Bursa 2023. Today is 26th February 2023. Okay, so part of the weeks we see a number of chart is really shows some weakness on the US market and also Hong Kong market. We have a budget announcement, but look like no anything have been triggered out good. Look like it's just like very normal things. Okay, so we will go into one by one and see which the market. Okay, this is we start with Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones has been I check out this one. Okay, so Dow Jones you can see here the VF line up the VF 2.1 and this VFTZ VFTZ already start to become a red color. And one thing, another is not a good news is the VF 2.1 at the upper line of this indicator also show the same thing. Okay, but how far this can drop is might be hopefully it's just only a short lived drop. Okay, but however because based on the wave, okay, so we have one wave here, second, and this third wave is very weak, very weak. Okay, so it might be a chances of this drop may cause a wave like this at here. Okay, so for this Dow Jones to straight away jump drop back to this level, I think unlikely lah in the near term. Okay, but this wave will, I think, significantly will give the index go back to this 200 MA. Okay, so very be careful. This is 200 MA is a support for this line. Okay, so if this line has been break, so we will be far more down to lower here, because here this section has been a hollow. Okay, this is a hollow one. Okay, so that means hollow why is because it's continuous. The bar is too fast moving up here. So this one will be somewhere is not a really a strong support area. Okay, so this after this 200 MA might be cause a lot of panic selling. Okay, so actually the entire thing is still the beginning of a drop. Okay, so if this red color is red bar is continue increasing something like this, will be next week lah. Okay, you need about 5 days bar. Okay, this will be not a good sign. Okay, if the thing starting like this, just only a sideways, a small one, then it will be good. Okay, it will be good. Okay, so that means that the red color drop might be not taking a too long time. Okay, so for Dow Jones now, a lot of uncertainty now because of I want to share here is this one. Okay, I want to share this one. This is a data that is released last Friday. Okay, actually it's some a warning sign. Okay, this is we call it PCE. Okay, CPE. Sorry, CPI is a source of data from consumer. Actually, the same thing. PCE and CPI actually is the same index. Just the sort of the source of their data is different. This one is from businesses. Okay, so you can all Google and know where is the what is the difference. But this tool also tracking the inflation. Okay, one thing is not good is, okay, this is the January one. Okay, so only now has been released. Okay, so this one has been shoot up like very high. Okay, very high. It's already go back to certain level with this kind of PCE. So it will means that the CPI will be harder to go down. Okay, let's say in January 2023. Okay, because the CPI CPI January will be releasing February CPI will be released in March 10, around March 10. Okay, so this one will mean that the CPI will be very sticky and very hard to come down some more. Okay, so this one will give the room of a Fed will continue to move their interest rate increase. Okay, so because of this one, it caused the market some start to panic. Okay, so it's not a panic also because of the expectation. Okay, because expectation now is up another 25% from the from the Fed. Just after that will be a reducing rate. Okay, so they'll think that the rate will go up, then start to come down. Okay, but Powell already said that it will go up, maybe go up more higher and maintain for quite a long time. Okay, so all the time is from the market has been not following the but what Powell give the sign. Okay, so this why now the market already start to turn. So it also we need to be careful for our portion, because this drop might be also have got a chances of drop something like that. Okay, so if really got something like that, you better be we need to be out from the market. Okay, so this is a US market. Okay, so when we are turned to a Hong Kong market, also show a significant of a drop. Okay, so here is the red color. Okay, so at the beginning of February, okay, so VF here is already detect a weakness at the background, but by the time the momentum here, the price action is still give a decreasing green bar. Okay, so wherever the bar is not yet turned completely red, okay, so still have a chance one. Okay, so that means you still have a chance to the rebound. Okay, so because in how to say, the market to go, he cannot be go up. You need to be go up at this one. Okay, cannot be go up in a one straight line one. Okay, so as long as the VFTZ, it means the VF TZ still show a green color. Okay, that means as a hope of a market to rebound more higher. But however, for Hong Kong market is already 4 bar, it's already dropped into a red. Okay, so we are afraid this thing might be happen again. Okay, because of for what we can see in Hong Kong history. Okay, so every time we attend to a green from green change to red color, there's a few they run for a few month. Okay, so like this one, the small one, the small one here is start from here and start to here. Okay, so around here and will be around here. Okay, so we hopefully that we usually when the wave is start to drop, there will be something like this one. Okay, it's something like this. Okay, wherever when the things is getting big until the end here. Okay, when it start to turn a little bit up, then the weakness of the there will be like a recovery. Okay, so for the VFTZ is look like the green color, the red color is already start, and VF 2.1 also showing the line that is already also pointing down. Okay, so that means that both indicator of VF already show the weakness is quite severe lah. Okay, for the market. Okay, so for if you are investing in a Hang Seng Index and Dow Jones, okay, so better keep some put warrant. Okay, so you may buy some. You can may not a recommender of buy and sell. Okay, so you can look into put warrant. Okay, to protect your portfolio if this thing in this case is getting down and down. Okay, but however, what I can see here is Hang Seng Index should be getting some support around this 200 MA line. Okay, this is a 200 MA line. Okay, should be has formed some support, or if this thing suddenly break out very harsh. Okay, so this one will be likely to continue go down. Okay, but however, if we follow indicator, both is so weak to rebound. Okay, so indicator is sure that it's already turn red, and there will be run for a while. Okay, before it meet some sign of strength to rebound and see what the government do. Okay, based on the trajectory now, it's look like it's all is turning down. Okay, this is Hong Kong, and we now switch to Malaysia market. Okay, Malaysia market has been hovering in 1460 until 51 1,500 level that we actually cannot break for a few time already. Okay, Malaysia market, every time if he cannot break 1, 2, 3, he cannot break higher, they will straight away go down. Okay, they will search for a very deep one, only he come to a rebound again. Okay, so now it's all also the same. Okay, here is already start red color, we have TZ, and now it's also already red. Okay, so actually both of these indicator actually is already filter out all these candlestick bar. Okay, sometimes you don't need to be because to see the bar or the weakness, okay, you need to be have a technical understanding. Okay, so meaning what is the bar, like uptrust, everything. Okay, so but if you want to see just directly one, okay, so in the indicator will help you to understand very straightforward. Okay, green bar, that means the market is still in a bullish mode. Although in a green bar you can see sometimes have some drop. Okay, you can have a drop, just that the rebound of the things is still there. Okay, so I mean until the end here, this drop, okay, the VFO also already below the ML line. Okay, so that's why the weakness at the background is getting obviously already. Okay, so the best invest the market position is when the both this VF you can see this blue line here. Okay, this blue line, as long as this green and red color things, okay, all is above the ML, this blue line, okay, should and plus all here is green, that means it's a good the market is in a very in a bullish mode. Okay, so if once the line also already start crossing down and the red color is coming in, that means the bearish is already come. Okay, so hopefully we are not going to have this again. Okay, you can see here and here actually is quite a similar. Okay, quite similar. Okay, so we are now in each of a come down again. Okay, a big drop here. Okay, so if next week or maybe certainly in March, okay, CPI data come out, is not good, and our Malaysia next the OPR has been reviewed. Okay, so this one will be surely gives an impact for our market to go down. Okay, so be careful when you are investing and if you are a lot. Now you are holding a lot of position in the market. Okay, so need to be careful. The market is now already weakened. Then we'll see what stock we can select for next week. Okay, so we will come into this okay, see, we can see go into our scanner. Okay, usually I love to use this we call it no supply. Okay, but one thing good is I want to show here is we have okay, what we have see here actually a lot of sector is already turned red color. Okay, red color. Okay, so only left only plantation and construction. Okay, but the thing is also not looking percentage of a Pentagon to turn red is already almost there. So also it's a very hard. Okay, so we better be when we are selecting a stock we need to be careful because the market in environment is not really good now. Okay, so for NS1 we can go for a check is we go for a Washong. Okay, this is a Washong. Okay, so what we can see here this NF is a non-supply, no supply sign. Okay, so okay, from this one you can see here the VF is here is this is a one wave, then here come the second wave. Okay, but here the VS is already dropped below this ML line. Okay, although the thing is continue moving up, but one thing that is why the indicator show another way of hidden weakness at the background is actually because the entire things move, the volume is not there. Okay, so when you have a continue moving up a good stock, okay, so this one should be the volume also increase accordingly. Okay, so with this kind of small volume, this one might be sometimes they can the smart money can be manipulated by themselves. Okay, so anything like you can see this wave, one wave, two wave, this might be very quite also dangerous when you jump in, because this one can be sometimes certainly it turn. Okay, so with without a volume one. Okay, so or when you see a stock is moving up nicely. Okay, we have trade zone look okay. Okay, but the VF 2.1, the first one here, no look not really good. Okay, so then you we better don't trade this kind of stock. Okay, so because this is a hidden problem at the background one. Okay, we don't know, it might be certainly turned down when the smart money don't want to boring already. Okay, so we'll go for a different Chin Hin. Chin Hin is already quite turn already. Chin Hin. Okay. Chin Hin is now in a start this position of Chin Hin is in a pullback. Okay, so this is typically a pullback has been start. Okay, so when you are in a this is on a that's why when you have a good bull run. Okay, so bull run you're supposed to have something like this one. This is supposed to have this good bull run. Okay, your green color is going up or all going up correctly. Okay, so it will be give you a good bull run. Okay, so but when you see this red color, it start to call, we call it it's a pullback. Okay, so because the market cannot go up in a straight line, then there will be have some pullback come down. Okay, so but however, because of the blue triangle here, it did not trigger. So I think not trigger lah. Okay, so so we cannot say that this is already pullback complete. Okay, if this is not pullback complete, it might be have some room to going down one. Okay, so since here this is already start moving down. Okay, so and no blue triangle has been triggered here, so we will be not choose this kind of stock to invest also. Okay, so because of the criteria is not yet fulfilled. Okay, so but however, if this red color is certainly that it trigger with a blue triangle at the end of the red triangle, red area here, that means the pullback has been complete, then you have a chance to rebound more higher again. Okay, so for this one, it's not yet ready yet also. Then we'll continue to search again. Okay, take one, take two. This one is quite good also. Look like sideways market. Okay, sideways market. Okay, is it here? Okay, so definitely this one is also not really a good one. Okay, straight away you can know this is all turning down, all turning down. Okay, so it look like going to distribute and come down. Maybe it will jump up and down some more. Okay, so this one also we cannot really choose. Okay, definitely cannot. And this one is equal world. Okay, equal world look like it's coming back. Okay, so what we see in the chart, what will happen. Okay, equal. Okay, okay, good. Equal still have a green. TZ is still green. Okay, but however, here got a lot of noise. Okay, have a what you can see here is the blue red, blue red, blue red. Okay, all is end up with canceling each other. Okay, so in a VF, as long as you have a blue red side by side, that means it's cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, so actually still remain in the red color. Okay, so the entire process of a rebound is actually not yet pullback. Actually, is still in the process. Okay, pullback is still in the process. It's not completely yet. Okay, so it might be going down some more or up something. Okay, so or maybe you need to wait for another bar up to trigger out the blue triangle to form. Okay, because we need to have something like form like this. Then straight away he go up more further and come again. Okay, but however, judging from the strength at the background is coming is the this is a green area is already quite some time already. Okay, you can see here is already quite some time already, and it might be sounds of weakness at the background. The pullback might be not formed completely. Okay, so better be careful. Don't jump in without any a confirmed sign from the indicator. The pullback is complete to invest. Okay, So this one definitely also not a good one. Okay, look like the market is not really a good one now a lot. Okay, so this is a Dayang Enterprise. Okay, Dayang. Okay, Dayang Enterprise. Okay. Okay, with Dayang Enterprise here, actually we got a very good two-bar reversal here. Okay, two-bar reversal and and this one has been really what I see here we have a trade zone here. We have a one big wave, 1, 2, 3 already. Okay, so you have a 1, 2, 3 actually quite at the top already. Then will be actually and this one already start running at here. So that means that this one have a chances to already end of a bull run already. Okay, end of the bull run. So that's why this one will be a not also we don't choose like this one. Okay, because it's already run too far away from the beginning. Okay, so it will be chances to change to a small rate. Okay, if you change to a small rate and wait until the next bull run coming, then it's okay. Okay, so because like stock, what we want to cash is this interchange here. Okay, this is the best interchange. Okay, interchange, best interchange. Like this one, a small one actually give you a very good how to say opportunity to enter also. Okay, so but like this one, all this is much more better. Like this one, okay. So but the green color is already go one wave, second and third already. So this one might be already over already. Might be will turn the next phase. I think we turn to a red color again. Maybe after they will be smart money will start to take profit. Plus because the market now is not really a good one, so this one definitely also unable to trade. Okay, so this is a sign. Sign is a signature signature kitchen. This is signature international. Okay, sign. Okay, so this is a touring at 53 cent. Okay, so this here is they have some no, but this one actually is a start to change. Actually, it's a good run for here. Okay, this is a good run for here because here also have a good trigger. So I think this one is a good one of stock that we can choose actually. Okay, it's not a recommended to buy and sell. Okay, because this is just only a beginning of a green color, and the VF also start to be above this ML line have a blue triangle. That's a very good setup for a stock to rebound up again. Okay, so this one might be become one of our selection and see how the next week go. Okay, and we go through also the balance. Got one in the chart is Kin Hin. Okay, Kin Hin I think certainly is drop. This one I put it here. Okay, so Kin. Okay, so you can see here the Kin is awkward. Wow. Certainly I recommend that. Okay, so I want to show you here is this one. Okay, so when you see the wave wave one here. So when you cash here like this, the interchange is the best one. So when you already run if you already in, you this green bars continue up, it just let you the indicator that just continue let the profit run. Okay, so when you come to the top, you try to come down a little bit already. Okay, so this means the pullback process is going to is happening. This means when the stock is going up, they'll come down and going up again. Okay, this is like come up and come down and going up again. Okay, when you come to the top already, so this one supposed to have been increasing one, supposed to increasing. Okay, so that's why there's a one wave, sometimes you have a second wave and third wave one successfully. Smart money sometimes going three wave one. Okay, but it depends the situation also lah. Sometimes after one wave is the market is no longer giving a good age. Okay, so they will become up anytime. Okay, so that's why now like this one is certainly is just cut. Okay, so this is something that is a very drastic. Okay, then straight away this one will sound the red triangle and trigger the entire things drop below the ML line. Okay, even though this one is still diminishing in green color. Okay, because this one is did not drop to this support. Okay, So sometimes there will be drop back, like this will be a very severe end of a bull run. Okay, so for now on, this one is also not a choice. Okay, because even though this is the green one, but we are in this red color, then we better don't trade this type of stock. Okay, so actually I can see there is not much stock we can choose for now. It's because of the overall condition of the stock market is not really a good one. Okay, so sign is already still already inside my radar actually. Okay, so this one will be continue to see next week how, because it's look like quite nice of a beginning of a after reaccumulation. Now want to go out for another markup stage. Okay, so I think here I think I will stop here. Okay, so next week I will share more. Okay, on how our market is going and using our indicator of VF 2.1 to VF1 and VF2. Okay, so to avoid any confusing. Okay, see you then. Have an enjoy weekend, and we'll see you next week. Okay, bye. Thank you.